Good morning, everybody. My name is Megha. I am from PCS Global Team 2. I'm here with another video on Angular. Before knowing Angular, we should know what is TypeScript. So let's learn and let's begin what is TypeScript. I'm presenting my screen. You will able to see what I'm trying to teach you all. First, let us know what is TypeScript. By definition, TypeScript is JavaScript for application scale development. TypeScript is a strong type object-oriented compiled language. TypeScript is both a language and a set of tool. TypeScript is language also and it is a set of tool also. TypeScript is a type superset of JavaScript compiled to JavaScript. In what happened in TypeScript, when we write a code, it is converted to a JavaScript. When we compile the code, it is converted to a JavaScript. It is important when we write a TypeScript code, it should be converted to a JavaScript to run the program successfully. In other words, TypeScript is JavaScript plus some additional features. TypeScript is a JavaScript plus some additional feature. As I've already told, JavaScript is a type superset of JavaScript that compile the plain JavaScript. What is TypeScript? Is a type superset of JavaScript that compile to plain JavaScript. TypeScript is a pure object oriented with class interference and statically typed like C or Java. It is not like that we are telling only Java is an object oriented. We can say that TypeScript is also an object oriented and it has class and interface also. The popular JavaScript Angular framework, Angular 2.0 is written in TypeScript. Mastering TypeScript can help program to write object-oriented program which have been compiled to JavaScript both as server and on client side. It is important to see that we have before knowing Angular, we should know the TypeScript. What is the fundamental of TypeScript? What is the uses of TypeScript? What is it? Now we will see what is the components of TypeScript. We will not go in deep in TypeScript because we want to learn Angular fast. So that's why we will know what is TypeScript and what are the components of TypeScript. The components of TypeScript are language, the TypeScript compiler, the TypeScript language service. What are the language? Language, it comprises of the syntax, keyword, and type annotation. It has syntax, keyword, and type annotation. And TypeScript compiler, it compiles the TypeScript code into JavaScript code. See, the TypeScript compiler convert the instruction written in TypeScript it JavaScript equivalent. So what I have told earlier, TypeScript convert the code into JavaScript code, and then when it convert the JavaScript TypeScript code to JavaScript code, the compilation is run successfully. If it don't convert, then the compilation fail. The TypeScript language service. The language service expose an additional layer around the core compilation pipeline that is editor-like application. The language service support the common set of typical editor operator like statement completion, signature help, code formation, and outline collision, etc. Okay, when before knowing Angular, as I have already told, before knowing Angular, we should know what is TypeScript. We will do the further codes. We will do codes in TypeScript also. Then we will, I think you will be clear what is actually the TypeScript is. Before Angular, TypeScript is more important. And in TypeScript, the only main basic is that we should convert the TypeScript code into a JavaScript code. Okay, this all from my side. Thank you for joining, and I hope you are well. And we will meet in second video. Thank you.